Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be doing something really interesting. Since all of us have been cooped up in our houses, I thought why not take up a new skill and do something interesting. And I, for long, have been sketching the old fashioned way using a pencil and a paper. And I thought, why not make my foray into the world of digital illustration? So today I'm going to be using an app that I've never used before. I did consult a few YouTube tutorials here and there, and now I think I am ready to make my debut. Before we begin, I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button down below and leave a like and comment what you think about the video, as that only helps the channel grow. Today, we are going to be drawing this beautiful illustration, which you can also use as your wallpaper. First things first, to begin drawing digitally, you will need the Procreate app. It is available on the iOS App Store and the Android Play Store for about $5.99 Canadian dollars. Since I'm just starting out, I've used this pen I picked up at a conference which happened to have a stylus at the end of its tip. Keep in mind, not all homemade styluses are compatible with the app. Let's begin. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and comment what you think, and look forward to producing more such videos.